Greg Nibbler from Digital Trends talking about the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Let's take a look at what you get when you open up the box. So right here we have our main unit. We'll talk about that here in just a second. It also comes with the charging cable and a brush to clean it off when it gets a little dirty. All right, so walking through some of the features of it, it's very easy to use. As you can see, this comes right off. This is where you fill up your tank. That's 1.5 liters that you can put in there. And that 1.5 liters will actually last for about 16 hours. So it's got some good continuous operation use out of it. It'll cover about 250 square feet. So good for a small office or even ideal for a bedroom, which it's really perfect for because it also has some different control settings. One of those being that it comes with a night light. So that's another nice little feature that you can use. It's optional. It's also got an auto shut-off feature, which is another great aspect. So if it gets low on water, it's automatically going to turn off so you can't overuse it. Overall, really easy to use. It has a dual speed mist control. So with that 360-degree nozzle, you can really have it as moist or not as you want. It's overall very simple humidifier to use. It's good quality, and that auto shut-off feature could really save you down the line.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between 2 types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. LEVOIT.
Best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the humidifier's Ultrasonic Cool Mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with the auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, and fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.
LEVOIT's LV450CH Ultrasonic Humidifier is a refreshing and revitalizing upgrade to home wellness. With its 360-degree mist nozzle and 3 humidity levels, you'll feel cool anywhere in your home. Its simple one-touch control is intuitive and easy to use. For aromatherapy, simply add your favorite essential oils to the built-in diffuser. The LV450 humidifier runs for up to 40 hours and works quietly through the night, helping to hydrate your skin and stop airborne bacteria. The ultimate 3-in-1 device, the LV450 humidifier brings health and vitality into your home. Breathe easy, knowing your health is being pampered. LEVOIT, wellness plus style actualized.
I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. VicTsing is a noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh! Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the VicTsing humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.